If you want to set up parental controls on Nintendo Switch 2, then first of all we need to go to System Settings, and then over here you should be able to find Parental Controls option. Over here you can watch an intro video for parental controls. However, if you want to skip that, we can just straight up go for this option, Set up Parental Controls. Now we need to download the Parental Controls app. You can find it in the App Store as well as the Google Play Store over here. So use your smartphone and download the app. So in my case, I'm gonna use the Google Play Store. Over here we can just simply search for Nintendo Switch Parental Controls. There we go. And over here you should be able to find this app. So let's install it. By the way, of course, you can also set up parental controls without using the smart device, but some options will not be available, so you have to keep that in mind. If you do want that, then of course you can just proceed and choose next. However, in this case, I'm just gonna cancel that, and we're gonna still use the app. So now over here, what we need to do is press start. We need to proceed, and of course we have the small preview of what you can do, and let's just press start. Over here, if you see the data usage screen, then we can set to don't send, and then we need to sign in to our Nintendo account. Keep in mind that the admin account, the parent account, should be 18 years old or older. Once you sign in, you should see something like this. The system will be linked to this app, so we need to keep Nintendo Switch 2 nearby and just press next. Now over here you will see this link code. So now in order to finish this, we need to open the menu over here, and then we want to press that we have installed the app. So now over here we need to enter the link code. So just enter the 6-digit code that you have on your app, and then let's just press OK. Now on your console you should be able to find your account. So in this case we need to confirm that we want to link. There we go, and we have successfully linked to the Nintendo Switch Parental Controls app, so we're gonna press OK. Now the setup on the system is complete. We need the Parental Controls app to continue setting up. So over here on the screen we can see that the link is complete, so we can just go next. Over here we need to confirm and continue. Let's go next. We can agree to notifications, and there we go, ready to set permissions, so we can press OK. And we have pretty much the Parental Controls app set up. So as you can see, now we have different parental controls options, such as the playtime limit, game and chat restrictions, restricted features, and so on and so forth. So you can go through them in order to set up all of these parental controls, including the parental control pin code over here. You also have the monthly summary and play activity if needed. So now on the console we can press OK, and we have the summary which parent or guardian's account is used. And we can also sync with Nintendo Switch Parental Controls app, but only if we have some issues with the parental control not being synchronized with the app, or the console with the app. So over here we can also see that the parental control is enabled. So now what you can do is simply start configuring your parental controls from the phone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.